We will now examine live highlighting using the Board Insight display. Live highlighting is a dynamic feature designed to improve design clarity and streamline troubleshooting by visually showcasing the connectivity of selected nets in real time. When enabled, simply hovering over traces or connectivity lines instantly highlights all related connections, allowing you to easily follow signals throughout the design. By default, live highlighting requires the Shift key to be pressed down when hovering over any object. Open the Preferences and select PCB Editor, followed by Board Insight Display. Deactivate the option Live Highlighting only when Shift key down, and then click OK. This will allow us to highlight object live by hovering the cursor of any given object. Hover the mouse over R4, Pad 2. Notice a live highlight of the net done is shown. In this video, we explored live highlighting inside the PCB environment.